This video introduces the VIGO Grocery Tracker app designed by our team, Masters of the Universe. The everyday problems we are addressing is the nearly universal experience of unexpectedly running out of a grocery item or finding that items have expired in your fridge. These problems are exacerbated in households where grocery purchases and consumption involve more than one person. Furthermore, there are a variety of different household scenarios to consider. A household with parents and children will likely have different needs than a group of college roommates who have decided to share grocery responsibilities. Our solution is the Voice Interactive Grocery Organizer, or VIGO for short. VIGO allows for the tracking of groceries that you currently own in terms of quantities, remaining, and expiry times. It also allows users to add items to VIGO's feature-rich shopping list. By design, our app is intended to make heavy use of voice commands. However, these are not implemented in our prototype due to obvious constraints in time and prototyping frameworks. What sets VIGO apart from other existing grocery tracking apps is the social and collaborative considerations that are built in. Many users can be connected to the same fridge, our analogy for the grocery inventory, and can interact with the same shopping list. Here, we will create a new account for Bilbo Baggins. Now we'll join a fridge called the Shire. There are two main tabs. The Fridge tab shows the user all the items that they have in their household. The Shopping list shows items that need to be bought. Most of us have experienced the frustration of arriving back home and discovering that they need to go out again to pick up milk or some other necessary ingredient for dinner, and most of us would rather pick it up on the way home. With VIGO, this is made easier since all household members can interact with or request items for the list. Requested items can be seen from the Request view. These items are added by users with low privilege, like children. You can add a request to the shopping list by tapping Add to List, or deny a request by tapping the red X. Adding items to the list is easy. While the fully developed product would implement voice recognition, on-screen keyboard output is also available and is shown in this demo. Of course, items on the list need to be added to the fridge once they're purchased. This can be done simply by tapping on the To Fridge button. Items can be deleted by clicking on the red X. In the fully developed app, we want to use the phone's camera as a barcode scanner. You can scan items as you put them into your cart, adding them to your fridge. If an item is recognized as one on your shopping list, it'll be removed and added to your fridge instead. This behavior is simulated in the prototype. Tap Screen to open up the scanner, and then scan an item. You can choose to add it to either your fridge or your shopping list. Press back to return to the List tab. Next, we will go to the Fridge view to see how existing inventory is handled. Lots of people would like to ensure that they have their tea every morning, and choose to buy milk before they run out. VIGO lets users set item levels between full, low, and empty with the buttons beside each item. Setting an item to empty gives a prompt asking the user if they would like to add the item to their list. New items can be added directly to the fridge without first adding them to the list. Here we're going to add bacon to the fridge. The Settings menu provides several administrative options to account and fridge settings. In fridge registration, we can start a new fridge, join one that already exists, or change the name of the one that we're in. By tapping on Manage Fridge Users, we can view all the users who were signed up to this fridge. If I'm the administrator, I can change their privilege levels to reflect their responsibilities. The VIGO prototype presents solutions to real-world problems in managing groceries. While such considerations become more complicated the more people are in the household, VIGO allows all members to have input in organizing what is available and what needs to be bought. Giving some users the ability to make grocery requests allows for even children who don't have any purchasing power to have input on the shopping list.